Checking my microphone, making sure everyone is comfortable, and making sure you are having a good time on this beautiful Friday night. Ladies and gentlemen, bringing it to you live, Magic FM 98.1 and Dog Audio Studios. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful islands of Samoa, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the music brought live to you by our very own live DJs. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Dog Audio.
Turn up the music and let's get on down. I said everybody up.
When you're in love with a beautiful woman, it's hard. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, you know it's hard. You know it's hard. You know it gets so hard. Everybody wants her. Everybody loves her. Everybody wants to take your baby home. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, you watch your friends. You watch your friends. You better watch your friends. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, it never ends. It never ends. You know it never ends. You know that it's crazy. You wanna trust her. Then somebody hangs up when you answer the phone. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, you go it alone. Maybe it's just an ego problem. Problem is I've been fooled before by fair weather friends and faint-hearted lovers. And every time it happens, it just convinces me more.
gritty. You're listening to the boy from the big bad city, and this is Jam Hot. This is Jam Hot.
watching the ships rolling on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Look like nothing's gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Listen, sitting here resting my bones, and this loneliness won't leave me alone. Listen, 2,000 miles I roam just to make this dock my home, 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 home.
to be your man. Hey, 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 hey.
Your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You know the door to very soon. You're the light in my deepest, darkest doubt. You're my savior when I fall. And you may not think I care for you when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love?
Bring the funk, Q. Big head for the house, I'm saying for the 9 pound. Yeah, get down. Talk about it, huh? Check this out, original. Keep it going and you don't stop. Love the way we do the hip hop. Oh yeah, like this. Check it. Hey yo, rock you, I got you. True that. Now who that? Where Q at?
Right here.
I knew that. Did you joint the new point for funk fellas? Cellar dwellers, R&B and rap fanaticals, acrobaticals, individuals, smooth criminals, overweight, lovable, huggable, snuggable, deep. That's me.
Quiero
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and talofa. Oh, come on, let's do that one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good evening and talofa. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Dwayne Johnson, fabulous, delicious with extra whipped cream, with a cherry on the top, not twisted but shaken, but you can call me Boo Boo. Everyone say talofa Boo Boo. Talofalava. My number is 727-5567, and my email is booboohot.com. Okay, and that is the only information I'm going to give you. So, are you guys excited for tonight? Make some noise. Do we have any beautiful ladies in the building? Make some noise. Oh, ladies, you guys suck. Let's do that one more time. Any sexy ladies in the building? Make some noise. Now we're talking. And I believe, do we have any handsome kings in the building? Make some noise. Kidding, Akaya. No kidding. Talofalava, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing tonight? We all good? Alrighty. I want you to sit back, relax as we simmer into the beautiful evening on a Friday night, right here at the beautiful Host Hotel, our very own family, Le Manumea Hotel. So please, a round of applause for Le Manumea Hotel. And also, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you very much for purchasing your tables, to being here to witness an amazing artist whose name has crossed the world, ocean, continent, just to be here with us to celebrate not only the beautiful art of singing, but also our beautiful Independence Day. So happy Independence, Samoa. And also, these are the people and the companies that has made everything possible for this year's concert with our very own Rex. So if I name out our sponsors, please put your hands together. Our gold partners, Samoa Observer, Vailima Breweries, our very own Samoa Tourism Authority, our silver partners, ladies and gentlemen, ACP. Pati Pati Mai, our very own bank for all our families is BSP. Island Rock Co. Limited. And for all your party favors, SOS. Our bronze sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, are Hotel Millennium. And our accommodation partners, Le Manumea and Talmesina Island Resort. And ladies and gentlemen, these are the guys that make all our sounds amazing. Our production team, our partners, Special Light Samoa, Lighting Samoa, KL Security, Reef Highridge, Island Business Center, and our Dog Pro Audio. A round of applause for our sponsors. Ooh, now we're down to all our sponsors. But ladies and gentlemen, just a few house announcements. Smoking and vaping is prohibited inside our building. If you do so, please go to the allocated areas. If there is a fire, a cyclone, or an earthquake, please run for your lives. No, we do have our front parking lot, our main stage over here, and the parking lot at the back for any emergencies, okay? But if you need any assistance, please ask our doctors, our waitresses, and waiters, okay? Awesome. Now, ladies and gentlemen, not only our sponsors have made this possible, but I want to introduce an individual that has made this possible for our beautiful island of Samoa. Please put your hands together for the sexiest man alive, Mapusua Corey Kyle.
1, 2. I don't know about sexy, Dane.
Oh, sorry, handsome.
Good looking, but not sexy.
Come over here, Corey. I have something special for you. I know you didn't get laid today, so I'm going to lay you today. Ladies and gentlemen, Mapusua.
Thank you very much, Dane. First up, we want to say thank you to our Heavenly Father for bringing us all together this evening. And we at Radio Polynesia always try to create some exciting events in this country of ours. Sometimes we get bored and we don't know what to do, so we try to make an effort to bring acts into the country to entertain us and have something to do. Also tonight, we want to honor all our parents, my dad, and I know lots of your dads have all had parts in creating events in this country. So tonight, we want to pay tribute to all our parents and for those who have gone before us. They've gone on ahead. And we want to continue their tradition and what they've given and taught us and what to do. We also want to celebrate and dedicate this night to our 64th independence celebrations. And to make this event happen, it takes a lot of effort to put something like this together. And we want to say thank you to all our kind sponsors who have come on board to make this event happen. And most of all, also to all of you that are here tonight. We hope you enjoyed tonight. I remember every time I go to a floor show, I always hear the music of Rex Atirai. And every time I hear it, I go, who's this guy? Anyway, so I started doing my research on him. And then I got some of his music, and we started playing it on the radio. So I was doing nothing on a Sunday when I was at work in the morning, and I decided, well, let me just take a stab at this, and let me just find his details and just email him. Anyway, I did, and the guy replied. And I said, man, all right, are you keen to come to Samoa? He says, yeah, I've never been there. I'd love to. And I said, yeah, because a lot of the dance groups over here use your song. And our people over here would love to see you perform. So, and we've got him here. So let's put our hands together, please, ladies and gentlemen, for the one and only Rex Atirai. But again, before I go, thank you again to all our companies who have come on board to sponsor this event. And thank you again for your kind support. Thank you very much. Let's have a great evening, and God bless everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for my sexy cousin, Mapusua Corey Kyle. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know Corey has given you a little information about our beautiful artist tonight, Rex Atirai. But ladies and gentlemen, remember we have amazing giveaways that we're going to be announcing throughout the night. So I want you to pay attention. Our artist is of Cookie background, Maori and Tahitian. And I want to give him a little bit of Samoan as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, this artist not only incorporates Tahitian, Hawaiian in his music, but a little touch of every Polynesian island. Hands up if you have ever heard of Rex music on our radio. Make some noise. I'm going to count to 3, and I want you to yell out your favorite song, okay? 1, 2, 3. Lea, tangata kuluku es. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know you heard his music, but tonight you're going to hear and have the honor and pleasure of hearing him live. Now, not only in collaboration with our beautiful Lamanumea dancers, ladies and gentlemen, we want to let you guys know his music has been viewed on YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, Facebook 500,000 times, and a few of his latest music has been hitting million views. So ladies and gentlemen, please, another round of applause for Rex Atirai. Are you guys excited tonight? Make some noise. Beautiful. But before everything starts, we're going to dedicate this beautiful evening to the man above. So please bow your heads. And as we say our prayer, our dear gracious Heavenly Father, we thank you for this beautiful evening. We come together as family, friends, in support of our overseas international artist, Rex Atirai, in collaboration with our our Polynesian family right here in the beautiful island of Samoa celebrating independence. Please bless our artist that he will enjoy our beautiful island and as we give him a good time tonight and also tomorrow. Please forgive us for wrongdoings and our shortcomings, and please we ask you for your spirit and guidance as we continue our beautiful show tonight. And as we say everything that we ask you tonight with a beautiful Amen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just to warm up the evening tonight, we're going to ask this beautiful man that plays the saxophone. So, please put your hands together for Filton Solomona. Sawiya. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Philton Solomona. Thank you so much, Philton. While you're making your way down, Philton, are you single? Oh, it depends. Okay, Philton, call me, okay? All righty. Now, ladies and gentlemen, did you guys enjoy that saxophone? Make some noise. Don't I look sexy tonight? Yes, all righty. A big shout out to my beautiful beautician, Tanushka. If you ever need your makeup and hair done, please contact Tanushka. And my beautiful dress comes all the way from the beautiful islands of Fiji, Samson Lee. All righty, now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you all been waiting for. But before he comes up onto our stage, from the beautiful island of the Cook Islands, we greet you, Kia orana. Can we all say Kia orana on 3? 1, 2, 3. Me taki ma'ata, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully everyone is comfortable. Remember, we have amazing giveaways tonight. So remember all the information that we're giving you tonight. And you may put it in your phone right now. If I ask you, you are ready to win beautiful prizes by our major sponsors. And also in FIAFIA Productions, together with Radio Polynesia, and also our naming hotels that we've given you here tonight, Le Manume and Tameasina. If you have not purchased a ticket for tomorrow, please make sure to purchase a ticket for tomorrow's concert as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready? Oh, come on, are you guys ready? Please put your hands together and make some noise for Rex Atirai.
Tis. How's everybody tonight? Good? So as we say in our Cook Island language, we say kia orana, and that's our hello. So when I say kia orana, I want you to repeat after me. Kia orana. And I heard Samoa was the best place for the best chehu. Is that true? Or? Okay. When I say chehu, I want you to repeat after me. Chehu! Oh, I think he can do a bit better than that. Chehu! Ah, that's the hard. So, as you know, my name is Rex Atirai, and I hail from the island of Tahiti, the Cook Islands, and I'm also a little bit Māori. So the first island we're going to be going to is Tahiti. So I'm going to get one of the dancers to come through, and this first song is called Audio. Everyone give a clap for our beautiful dancer. Her name is Nola, and also known as my partner. Hey, let's go. for Nola. Thank you so much. So right now we're going to be taking you to the island of Atirai. Has anyone been to Atirai, the Cook Islands? Oh, not much, people. Well, this song is called Atirai Paradise, and we're going to get the girls to come, and they're going to be doing a dance for you while I sing as well. These are the Le Manumea girls. Everyone give them a hand. Enua oru natupuna napuariki te whaka oru. Enua oru natupuna napuariki te whaka oru. Way beyond the ocean, far across the sea, there lies an island, Atirai paradise. And I remember those yesterday when I fell in love with you. Atirai, my love, Atirai paradise. Te maringine, te marine, te roi mata, ingangaro ia koe, ararau enua, oru ki te moana, na. Te marine, te roi mata, ingangaro ia koe, ararau enua, oru ki te moana, na. Ararau enua, oru ki te moana. Give a hand. Give a hand for our beautiful girls. All right, we'll get straight into the next track. Let's go. So this song also hails from the island of Tahiti. So we're taking you back to French Polynesia. Pahoho no te miti te avaroa, nua tau titi hia tau ari. I got our next dancers. Give another hand for our beautiful girls. Ari amai, soa soa mai, sa tau ai tau karere. Ari amai, soa soa mai, sa tau ai tau karere. Imini tatu e nararo mai, te tumu niue, viti viti mai koe, akatangi tato e kite ura ura tamure. Imini tatu e nararo mai, te tumu niue, viti viti mai koe, akatangi tato e kite ura ura tamure. Niki mai o te pai toki lao i te pai tonga. Akitangi mai to raro tonga, akitangi mai to ara ura raka kukarere. Niki mai o te pai toki lao i te pai tonga. Akitangi mai to puka puka, akitangi mai to amai raka kukarere. Tapiri mai ko e teina tua kana te fuinga o riba tapo watanga e kia karongo koe na me o te pare te tangine te raka o karere. Tapiri mai ko e teina tua kana te fuinga o riba tapo watanga e kia karongo koe na me o te pare te tangine te raka o karere. Te tangine te raka o karere. Oh, beautiful. Let's go. Akatoka manava no kuroa. Oh, we got our beautiful solos. Akatoka manava no kuroa. Enu amanu akaie ie te tangi ukalele ngaputoru. Enu amanu akaie te tangi ukalele ngaputoru. Te tangi ukalele ngaputoru. Oh, sailo titini o mauta salulu itiata mama yata. Sailo titini o mauta salulu itiata mama yata. Te kuki airani takupe utupu na. Te kuki airani takupe utupu na. Oh, give a clap to our dancer of the year. Can I just ask the DJ what's the next? All right, so as we said on social media, those who are here are actually going to hear an unreleased song that's actually in Samoan. So please do mind my pronunciation. It might not be the best, but hey, I gave it a try. But this is actually an original song, and what better time to sing this song during your guys' Independence Day, your Samoan language week. So give a clap for yourself, for your achievement. So this song is dedicated to all of you, Samoa. Let's go. Uloto uatumu ile mimita olelele o Samoa fuatele ola faola mai maunga ile sami epule numa matango fie Epeo tangata, lotwa lofa, balosi, mama malu. Uale Samoa, moni, fa'atua tua ile atua. Te taimi uma, ole fa'a manuianga, e toi foi mai fa'atele. How did I do okay or nah? Nah, thank you. So, all right, we're gonna get the girls to come back, and this is gonna be the last song for this set. I'm gonna go for a break, then I'll come back with the last set, and we'll have a good jam. So this song is called Taku Inangaro. In Cook Island, this means my beautiful. So here's our beautiful girls. Here we go. Po te moana. O nu do taku aroa, te vaine ka vaira. E taku atua Yehova, ako tino mau I te apirianga. Nei mero o kutai I te iara. Tō tape aka ipo ipo, te akairo no te inangaro. Leo mai rā takawe mai, tō taua ina ngaro. Tō tape aka ipo ipo, te akairo no te inangaro. Mo mai rā takawe mai, tō taua ina ngaro. Mo mai rā takawe mai, tō taua ina ngaro. Me te esu I te po, te marama, pura pura. Give another hand for our beautiful girls. And that's me for my first set. So MC. Oh, no. She's over there somewhere.
okay, she's somewhere.
She's somewhere around.
Alrighty, now ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna give Rex a break, but we have amazing giveaways. So Rex, we'll see you in a few more minutes.
Cool. Thank you so
All
much.
right.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
Samoa. Thank you.
Alrighty. Did you guys enjoy our first set? Everyone say ow. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I know you're all sitting there hungry and you're looking at me like, is there a buffet? There is an amazing buffet. But before moving forward, I am giving away a case of Vili Malaga. Can I have 2 volunteers on our stage, please? Just 2. Don't all look at me. I want one of you. Come up. Anyone? Come up? Yeah. Okay, we have the white hat over there. Come up as well. Oh, yeah. Ola o nga nga. Uma, yeah. Alrighty. Tell us, sir, what is your name?
Jerem,
Jerem, where you visiting from, Jerem?
Lokopa,
Oh. Yeah, go back down, please. And tell us, sir, what is your name?
Leah Tawa Douglas Victor Loibel.
And where are you visiting from?
Manono Tai.
Alrighty, so now we're gonna have a competition. It's called the Chihu. Can we give them an example of a Chihu on 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna have our first contestant. He's gonna do the best Samoan Chihu. Alrighty, are you ready? Breathe in, breathe out, and 1, 2, 3. Not bad, not bad. Manono Tai, are you ready? All right, Dougie. I wasn't expecting a dance or something. It's okay. On 3. Wait, no, wait. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3. All righty, ladies and gentlemen, you guys, our audience, are also the judges for the evening. If I point to your favorite Chihu, make some noise. Silence, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I only have one photo in my hand, and this photo belongs to. Give me some drums on the table. Drums on the table. The winner goes to our contestant number 1. Congratulations. We'll get you your lager. And a round of applause for our Vailima breweries. Okay, our next giveaway is a JBL clip speaker. Can I have 4 volunteers, please? 4 volunteers to come up right now. Counting to 10, whoever comes up will win our clip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Silly. Yeah, come over here. Okay, we got 3. Awesome. Talofa, what is your name, gorgeous?
Talofa, everyone. My name is Barbie.
Everyone say, hey, Barbie. Hey, Sugar Daddy, what is your name?
My name is Fa.
Everyone say Talofa Fa. Talofa, sir.
Malasi follow wingo Sinapati Horace Uberg.
Everyone say Malo, Mr. Uberg. And last, Talofa, what is your name?
My name is Heidi Mosile.
Everyone say Talofa Heidi. Okay, now we're gonna go into a dance-off competition. They only have 7 seconds. Only 7 seconds to please our audience. DJ, give me something that makes my body move but make my body groove. Hey, keep your eyes off me. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, our first contestant comes all the way from Italy. Please put your hands together for Barbie. Come in the front, Barbie. Go. You only have 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it, girl. Yeah. Get it, girl. Yeah. Go, Barbie. Go. Get it. Yeah. Alrighty, give it up for Barbie. Alrighty, all the way from Brazil. Please put your hands together for Heidi Klum. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, oh. Sweet. 1, 2. Go, Heidi. Go. All right, applause for Heidi. Our third contestant. Sorry, what's your name again, babe? Ladies and gentlemen, visiting us all the way from Taiwan. Please put your hands together for my baby daddy, my sugar daddy, and everything in between. For Soya. Go Fa. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Fa. Now, our last contestant, Mr. Uberg, visits us all the way from France. Can we all say bonjour, les cousines, les mousons, quoi jolie? Bonjour. The floor is yours, Mr. Uberg. 1, 2, 3. Please step forward. When I point to your favorite contestant, please step forward and take a bow and earn the crowd's points. Alrighty? Please make some noise for Barbie. Silence, please. Heidi. Fa. And Mr. Uber. Okay, wait, my hearing aid is broken. Barbie, can you step forward, Barbie? Mr. Uber, can you step forward? Ladies and gentlemen, please, let's do that one more time. Give it up for Barbie! Mr. Uber! Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the winner goes to Mr. Uber! Please claim your prize after the show. You have won a JBL clip speaker valued at 780 tala, proudly sponsored by Radio Polynesia. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are also giving away 2 amazing tickets for the show tomorrow. I'm gonna come into the crowd right now. Anyone want a free ticket tomorrow? Please put your hands up. Who wants a ticket tomorrow? Anyone want a ticket tomorrow? You want a ticket tomorrow? It's okay. It's a draw, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, can you pick up 2 names, please, for our lucky tickets? Perfect. If I call out your name, Sam O.B. Sam O.B. Any Sam O.B. in the crowd? Where's Sam O.B.? Oh, you're Samoa Observer. Congratulations. Okay. And the other one is Samoa Observer. Woo! Okay, guys, can we put that down for 2 tickets for tomorrow? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you all been waiting for is our buffet is now open. Calling on table 1, 2, 3, 4. Please make way to the buffet. Now, I want you guys to tune on in into our amazing DJ from our Radio Polynesia family. Please put your hands together and make some noise for DJ Drew Soya. Our Vailima is free. It's proudly sponsored by our Vailima breweries. If you're looking at getting more Vailima, feel free to go straight to the bar or ask one of our waiting staff to help you out. Once again, Vailima is for free. It's complimentary. But please drink responsibly. Do not waste our products. If you have a full glass in front of you, make sure you consume that before you get your next glass. Puffy title lover and big shout out to our Vailima breweries.
Pass the dutchie on the left, unsafe, 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 unsafe,
Mr. Bombastic. We want is a bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. Shaggy. Mr. Bombastic. We want is a bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. Shaggy. Mr. Bombastic, and the fantastic. Nothing on the box, it says Mr. Romantic, and the fantastic. Nothing on the box, it says Mr. Romantic, and the fantastic. She touch me on the box, she says Mr. Boom, 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 bombastic. Then the fantastic. She touch me on the box, she says Mr. Boom, boom, smooth. Just like a silk, soft and cuddly, hug me up like a quilt. I'm a lyrical lover, now take me thin or filled with my sexual physique. You know me well, Bill, do me, oh my, well, can't you tell? I'm just like a turtle crawling out of my shell. Girl, you captivate my body, put me under a spell. With your couscous perfume, I love your sweet smell. You're the only young girl who can ring my bell, and I can take rejection. So you tell me go to well, I'm bombastic, tell me fantastic. Put me on my box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, I'm me fantastic. She touch me on my box, she says I'm Mr. Boom, 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 bombastic. Tell me fantastic. Touch me on my box, she call me Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic. She touch me on my box, she touch me on my box.
I've been feeling trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, come on, oh, come on.
Let's get it on.
Let's love, baby.
Let's get it on.
Sugar, let's get it on. We're all sensitive people with so much to give. Understand each other since we got to be. Let's live. I love you. Nothing wrong with me loving you, baby. No, no. A summer love is beautiful, but it's not enough to satisfy emotions that are shared between us. A winter love is cozy, but I need so much more. It just intensifies
Ladies and gentlemen, calling on tables 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please make your way to the buffet line for Atirai. Tables 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please make your way to the buffet line for Atirai.
How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? I'm lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Tell me how you love me more and how you think I'm sexy, baby. That you don't want nobody else. You don't want this guy. You don't want that guy. You wanna touch yourself when you see me. Tell me how you love my body and how I make you feel, babe. You wanna roll with me, you wanna hold with me, you wanna stay warm and get out of the cold with me. I just love to hear you say it. It makes a man feel good, babe. Tell me you depend on me. I need to hear it. I'm lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it time to know that I love you, baby? I'm lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it time? I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. It's true. I wanna be I like it. In your arms, I can still feel the way you want me when you hold me.
Perfect.
I can still hear the words you whispered when you told me. I can stay right here forever in your arms. And there ain't no way I'm letting you go now. And there ain't no way. And there ain't no how I'll never see that day. 'Cause I'm keeping you forever and for always. We will be together all of our days.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys making your way to the buffet line? If you have not made your way to the buffet line, feel free now to make your way to the buffet line. And once again, our Vailima beers, our Vailima drinks beer is complimentary. And now I'm going to do another giveaway, proudly sponsored, and also our partners, Vailima, giving away a lager case. Lager case. I'm gonna come into the crowd. Anyone out there want to earn a Vailima case? Anyone? Where you at? I'm gonna come to you. Right here. Where's right here? Come up, gorgeous. Wanna come up? Where? Yes, sir. Can you come up? Oileai, you earned your one already. Another one? Anyone else? Anyone else want to earn a Vailima box? A case of Vailima Lager? Nobody? Oh, come on. It's for free. Anyone? Okay, we're going to come back to that one. Now we're going to give away another JBL clip-on speaker. Can I have 2 volunteers up here, please? 2 volunteers for another clip JBL speaker. Coming up. Okay, we got one over there coming up. Coming up, gorgeous. Anyone else? We need 2 volunteers. Just come. Alrighty. It's okay. We only have 1 volunteer. Okay. Talofa. If you get these right. Talofa, gorgeous, what is your name?
Charlotte.
Everyone say Talofa, Charlotte. Oh, Charlotte. Okay, your first question for the evening is, what are the 3 nationality for our very beautiful artist that's here tonight, Rex Atirai? The 3 nationalities. You want to give a shot for one? What's the first one?
Cook Islander.
Okay, we got Cookie. What's the other 2? Hey, no helping.
Tahitian.
Tahitian, and one more. It starts with a letter M.
Maui.
Alrighty, can we all say it together? The first one is Cook Islands. Second and third. Alrighty, Charlotte, congratulations. And thank you for helping Charlotte earn her free JBL clip-on speaker. Thank you, Charlotte. Yeah, go back down. Alrighty, I am giving away 4 tickets for tomorrow. Can someone help me do my draw from the mole? Alrighty, coming down here. Observer was our last winners. Telephone, sir. Can you pick out 4 lucky tickets for tomorrow? Okay, well, we got 1, 2. 2 more from Mole. We're giving away 20 free tickets tonight. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. If I call out your table number and your name, you will win a ticket for tomorrow's show. Table number 7, SOS. Can someone come and claim an SOS ticket for our show tomorrow? Thank you, SOS. Also one of our partners for our show tonight. Hi, Tama. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Enjoy your free ticket. Our next one is Table 3. Table 3, KL Security. Table 3? Is Table 3 out there? Okay, right here. Alrighty. Our next one is Le Manumer, Table 7. Le Manumer, Table 7, where are you? And our next number is a ticket for tomorrow's show. Claim it after our show from Mole from our production team. Congratulations. And now back to our very own Vailima Lager box. Anyone can answer this question. Can you name two of our artists' songs? Anyone? Two of our artists' songs and you'll win a free Laga box. Anyone? Okay, we have one over here. Go ahead, gorgeous. Can you name two songs of our artist, Rex Atirai?
There's Tangata Huru Huru
One.
and Oreo.
And Oreo, congratulations. And what is your name, please?
Rama.
Rama, congratulations. You have won a box of Laga. Yeah, too late. Come and see me after the show. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, if you have not made your way to the buffet line, feel free to make your way to the buffet line. And right back to you, Drew, for some more music. So yeah.
Please don't rain me in. How to let go of everything I ever had. 'Cause I couldn't give the love you deserved. By the gunner you shouted, oh my God. It seems churlish, but it's what I suppose. I suppose. Yeah. Every flagstone of this town bears our prints. Yeah. And all the bars round here serve my ghost and carcasses. I wish I knew these things when I was young. Cause now I've just grown so numb. Oh, we take whatever we can to get the reason back. So please don't rain me in. Oh, please don't rain me in. Please don't rain me in. Please don't rain me in. I'm working myself up to a nice warm mist. All my memories of you ring like tinnitus. If I stop, it's just pain. Please don't rain me in. There's nothing brave in walking alone. Love in exile has nowhere to go. So come on home. Don't run away from my tenderness. You're so afraid of that heart inside of your chest. We were doing so well, but you were scared to be held. Took the easiest way out. I see the tears of a man too proud to reach for a hand. Well, let my love keep you safe now. So please don't, yeah, please don't rain me in. Please don't rain me in. Please don't rain me in. I'm working myself up to a nice warmness. All my memories of you bring like tinnitus. If I stop, it's just pain. Please don't rain me in. I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of true love.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, just giving you guys 10 minutes before our next set starts. Giving you guys 10 minutes. But if you have your plate right now, feel free to go to your table as we introduce our second set for the evening.
Gas in the car. It's 4 a.m.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank our partners that have joined us in this amazing FIAFIA production, bringing Rex Atirai all the way from the Cook Islands, bringing his love of music right here to the beautiful heart of the Pacific, Samoa. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our global partner, Samoa Observer by Lima Breweries, Samoa Tourism Authority. Our silver partners, ACP, BSP, Island Rock Co. Limited, and SOS. Our bronze partner is Hotel Millennia. Our accommodation partners is Le Manume Hotel, our very own host tonight, and for tomorrow night, Tamesina Island Resort. And our production partners, ladies and gentlemen, a big shout out to Special Lighting Samoa, KL Security for keeping us safe here tonight, Reef High Ridge for our amazing tents, and our chairs, and so much more. And ladies and gentlemen, Island Business Center and our very own sounds for the evening, Dog Pro Audio. Ladies and gentlemen, please another round of applause for our... Now the moment you all been waiting for, let's welcome him back with an amazing and loud chihu on 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on everybody, give me a good chihu on 3. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring him back. Rex Atirai.
Don't think I'm losing this time. The cryptic thoughts of a criminal. All from a girl that's not bad. Oh, and there's another weird description. There's a third guy in a running suit. Could've swear I seen him here before, but I'm not positive. I know, I don't know. Oh, and then they try to ask the girl I'm in love with if she loves me back. And have you had a call, and would you speak about a guilty man now? Right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time. Make some noise for Rex Atirai. Samoa.
All right, give a beautiful hand for our beautiful girls. All right, that song is called Taku Moimoya, which in Cook Island means to dream. And when I was singing in the song, I was dreaming about, obviously, the Cook Island dream. So that's what Taku Moimoya. Okay, the next song that I got is called Mateo Soa. So Mateo Soa meaning my brother. So DJ, let's go. This has got a bit of an island vibe to it, so if you want to just feel the vibes, let's go. All right, guys, that was Mateo Soa. That was a Cook Island song that we made, which means my brother in Cook Island. All right, the next song, we're going to get the girls to come back on. And if you know the words to the song, just let me sing it. Nah, if you know the words to the song, feel free to sing along. You might have seen it all over TikTok and everything, so enjoy, and enjoy the girls as well too. DJ, let's go. this next song, now you can help me sing. But DJ, let's go. So, if you know the words to this song, I'm gonna need your participation in this song. Here we go. Tua ingara koya mama, rukete kete ke mama, Tua ingara koya mama, rukete kete ke mama, Koitera koe te ane. All right, Samoa, I want you to see the next part. I know you know this part. Here we go. Oh, come on, Samoa, you can do better than that. One more time. Oh, he's a bit off key. Roi mata e to pande, roi mata te o te ngaro, roi mata e se kene, roi mata te o te ngaro, koe te ra koe te ane. Tira mai nai, tira mai te tai, yeah. All right. He's got it. Beautiful singing, Samoa. All right, our next song is we're gonna have the dancers. Oh, the dancers have been working overtime, but we're gonna have our dancers come back. So this song is called Tiare Apetahi. And the story behind this song is that tiare meaning a flower and apetahi is actually a flower that blooms on the top of a mountain. So it's in the hand, it's in the shape of a hand. If you see it, it only grows in the island of Tahiti. And the flower is called, it looks like this. That's the best way I can explain it. So this song is about the flower that only grows in Tahiti. Tiare petahi.
Tiare apetahi, tiare apetahi. E here wha aito ore, no te hore pura tu nora I atea. E tapa o te waihohi a mai e nā, ini ai te maua te mehai.
No give a clap to our beautiful girls. Thank you, girls.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Rex Atirai.
All right, guys. We're going to go into a Samoan song.
Wait, before you do that, Rex.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a good chihu on 3. 1, 2, 3. Rex, I'm going to give you a break for your vocals right now. I'm going to do a giveaway.
Okay.
Our next song, what's our next song, Rex? Is it a Samoan song?
It's a Samoan song.
I need 4 gentlemen up here. 4 gentlemen going in to win a free giveaway, which is our JBL clip-on speaker, valued at 780 tala. Come up here and dance to this next song, and we'll have the crowd pick our winner for our next giveaway. Any volunteers? 4? Oh, yeah, come up here. Come. Yes, out. Come.
Are there even any men over here? No one's coming to dance.
I think they're just boys. Men, okay, we got one over there.
Here we go.
And if you feel like a man tonight, you can come up as well. Okay, we got one over here. Anyone else? Okay, since we don't have any men, okay, we got 2 again. Okay, come up. And if you're not a man or if you're a woman and you want to challenge the men, you can come up as well. Ara, you look like you're ready. Ara, want to come up, Ara? Okay, we got 4. Okay, we got Jerem over here. Tell us, sir, what is your name? Onosai.
Jeff.
Jeff?
Same.
Okay, you two just want to earn the freebies. Okay, Rex, right back to you, Rex. Ladies and gentlemen, be the judges of our next entertainment. Samoa.
All right, these boys show us how it's done. DJ. Men. Let's go. Show us how to dance. Let's go. Manuole babeau, tausani fungala, ayala usuita, ilepa ipa mau fau fau, ntaluolo upopole, ne ite uale taula, taunu uale upu, uale aule ina ila. Everyone sing along. Say if I myself upu, pay to I need my love, and pay to I manu. So fungala ubele, so masina ipuvai manu. Say inu ole ai, tama ole nu. One more time. Say if I myself pay to I need my love, pay to I manu. So masina ipuvai manu. Pay ole ai, tama ole nu. Say inu ole ai. Everybody, hey, ho!
Give it up one more time for Rex Atirai. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. The more noise you make, that will determine our winner for our challenge for our JBL 780 tala valued clip speaker. Make some noise for Jerem. Woo! Alrighty. Make some noise for Onosai.
Yeah, let's go.
Brother, why following more? Baby. Okay, make some noise for Baby. Oh, look, and make some noise for Horace. Alrighty, Horace, step forward, please. Jerem, step forward. All right, we're gonna do this one more time. Make some noise for Jerem. Silence. Make some noise for Horace. Which one is it, Rex? My hearing aid is broken.
Left.
Alrighty, congratulations to Horace.
Let's go.
Thank you, gentlemen. Malo laban. And that is our giveaway, our JBL. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna have Rex pick up 5 more giveaways for our tickets tomorrow to see him at Tamesina. Rex, you can pick 5.
One at a time or all 5 at the same time?
All 5 at the same time. Okay, I could take 6. Yeah. Alrighty. Table number 7, ACP. ACP, where you at? Yeah, come on up and claim your prize, please. This is a ticket for tomorrow. Okay, going once, going twice. Anybody? Our next winner is table number 3, Rihanna. Rihanna, table number 3. Oops. Another table number 3, Rihanna. 2 for Rihanna for tomorrow. And another one for ACB. That's 2 right there. Those are your free tickets for tomorrow's show. Alrighty, Samoa Observer. Come on up, please. Claim your Observer. Congratulations. And another one for ACP. We draw. Okay, who wants to claim this free prize right now? There's no redraw. Going once, going twice, going. Okay, Auntie Lynn, alrighty, come over here, Auntie Lynn. And our last ticket goes to Florence. Congratulations. Florence coming up. And just letting you guys know, ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 kegs of Vailima Brewery, so feel free to drink that up until the rest of the evening. Proudly sponsored by Vailima. Now right back to you, Rex. Thank you very much for picking our lucky winners for our tickets giveaway. So yeah.
All right, we're gonna be asking our ladies to come back to the stage, and this is gonna be their last dance. So this song is actually called Mai Kapo. And this song is actually a beautiful song that talks about Christ as well too. It's a nice gospel song as well that we made into a Hawaiian type of style. So I hope you enjoy it. And this is Mai Kapo. Let's go. Are the girls ready? Let's go. Makawika po, ayo e io. All right. I just want everyone to give a hand for our beautiful girls that have done all the dances, because that was their last dance. So give a hand for our girls, the Le Manu here girls. All right, guys. This is going to be my last song. So, I know. But I got a funny story about this song. So this is a Samoan song. And you might know it too. Actually, you will know. This song is called Minoi, Minoi, Minoi. So, it's an old school song, and I was actually forced by Corey himself to sing this song. He was like, if you don't sing this song, you're not going to eat in Samoa. So I was, nah, I need to do this song. He said I was going to starve, so I didn't have a choice. So if you know this song, feel free to sing along. If you want to come and dance, the floor is open. But this is my take on a classic Samoan song. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Sure. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed that. That's me. So far, so full. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Rex Atirai. Can we all say Kia ora?
Kia ora.
And can we all say Me taki ma'ata?
That's a swear word.
Oh, stop it. Ladies and gentlemen, do you guys want some more? Make some noise! Rex, do we have one more song in your sleeve? Babe, come back over here. Do you guys want one more? While Rex is getting ready for his last encore number, ladies and gentlemen, on your tables, there's some posters of Rex Atirai. If you want any, autograph, phone number, house address, P.O. box, Hotmail, and bank account, he's going to come and meet everyone out there and make sure you get a photo or two with our amazing artists all the way from the Cook Islands. But let's give him another warm welcome to the beautiful islands of Samoa with an amazing Chihu on 3. 1, 2, 3! Sorry,
All right,
Rex.
guys.
Go ahead, Rex.
Been
Love you,
put on
babe.
the spot. Didn't actually have a next song, but do you have any song that you want me to sing? Shout it out right now. Audio? Or tangata huru huru?
Oh, tangata huru huru.
Okay. If you want tangata huru huru, I want you to say, Chihu! Oh, that sounds louder. Tangata huru, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, the dance floor is open for you. Here we go.
All right. Cheers. The effects. Cha. Tangata uru kamate kiara. Takia tenga renga, kumia tenga renga, o kikiskero. Tangata uru kamate kiara. Takia tenga renga, kumia tenga renga, o kikiskero. Atirai. Thank you very much.
Wow. Those ladies deserve a free ticket. All right, Corey, can you see those beautiful ladies over there? Make sure they get a free ticket. Are you guys enjoying our show? Make some noise. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without these partners that made this event possible, but big shout out to FIAFIA Production and Radio Polynesia. Now, ladies and gentlemen, one more time for our golden partners, Samoa Observer, Vailima Breweries for our free kegs tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, feel free to stay behind at Le Manume Hotel and enjoy the free keg. Drink responsibly. And our next partners is our amazing Samoa Tourism Authority. Our civil partners, ACP, BSP, Island Rock Co. Limited, and SOS. What's in my? Our bronze partner is Hotel Millennia. And our accommodation partners, ladies and gentlemen, your very own Le Manume Hotel. And if you have won a ticket for tomorrow's show, our other hosting accommodation partners, Tamasina Island Resort. And ladies and gentlemen, these are the people that have protected you guys and made this event possible. Our production partners, Special Lighting, Samoa, KL Security, Reef High Ridge, Island Business Center, and your very own Dog Pro Audio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for our production team. Now we're going to turn the time right back to Drew to bring you guys live music. Enjoy the vibes, and our Coca Bar is still open. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Rex Atirai, DJ Samoa.
Pump up the volume, pump up the volume.